Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Laini again and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going somewhere, not the PlayStation, I used to do that, but I only go when I'm a little child, but now I'm a big girl, so now I'm, kind of very excited, but I don't know, where my parents taking me? I don't know, because they said it's a surprise. I don't know where are they taking me. I need to see. I need to cover up and then probably. So during my weekends, I used to go to PlayStation, but now I don't. I used to have some boring time going to PlayStation, so I want to go somewhere interesting and creative because I'm 7 years old and a big girl. And now I only used to do reading books as is interesting. Just like reading books interesting, it also needs to go to interesting places. So I asked my parents if they take me to a place where it's interesting and creative. But I don't know where. But then they said okay for some reason. But they didn't tell me where are we going. So I really want to know what is that, but they are keeping it a secret. They will show me when they reach it. But this is a surprise from me. I mean a gift surprise. I don't know. I don't know anything. What are they gonna tell? Okay, see you at the place where I'm gonna see you. Okay guys, so now we have reached the place, but I'm still confused. I don't know where we are. So I asked my parents what's the name of this mall. It's the Garnan Mall. So my mother went to pray and I'm waiting here with my father. So I'm really excited what's the entertainment here. And I want to see it. It's kind of very beautiful here. It's kind of nice. Look at my lips. Let's just leave. So now my father went to pray. But now I'm still waiting. My mother's back and my father's gone. Guys, where are we now? Now we're at the diaper changing room, but still it looks beautiful. There's a nice relaxing chair where I'm sitting on, and my little brother's over there getting ready for a diaper change. And there's a sink to wash. Okay, now guys, you know what? Okay, now it's time to diaper change. See something? There is a wonderful couch here, a wonderful table, and a wonderful diaper changing. And there's also some signs to conversation, and also a table for real. Hello, my reflection. It's neat. You can see me now.
Okay, 1.5 hours, right? Okay. Okay, right.
Glowing paint we're drawing the dark room. I mean the glowing room. Look at what I'm painting. Can you recognize this? Oh, too much paint. Whatever. Use a little bit. Whether we can also paint on the wall. Yeah, look at the whole room. You have to paint on this wall. Now this place is so much fun. I love to come here every time if I feel bad or good, every time. Okay, I'm gonna draw trees, dogs with the glowing paints, and they also put the papers on the wall, and it's so beautiful. I wish I could come here every time. It's so fascinating and sometimes also fun. I feel like I like to come here. Guys, now I'm going to make slime, and they put some stuff to make slime, and they added my favorite color. I love blue, so they added blue, and I love swim. I never had tried to make a slime before. I like it. I want purple. I want this rainbow. Guys, slime. It's so wet. Guys, this is so stretchy. Ah, I never had tried making slime before. Wow! Always have a grown up for help, and I had the sand. Ah! So stretchy. Guys, now I'm going to try some beautiful colors. First, I'm going to try out Spiky, don't bring me. Okay, so everything, all slime, get out. I like the picture, it's so nice. I'm going to try this. First, let's flat it. First, we need to flatten it out. Wee, hoo. Wee. Huh? So, friends, if you are the person who'd like to spend your weekend something creative and more fun, for sure Slammers will be one spot in helping us make something creative and chase our boredoms away. Guys, now it's finished. I had a plan, so much fun, but I want to keep playing. but it's okay. I can come next time. I have painted this Laini, my name. Guys, now we're out of the place. I have made my own slime. I put some rainbow glitter, some a blue color food coloring for it, and also some paint. I also put some paint for my picture in the glow room. Remember? You see that? The tree, the flower. It was so much fun, but I want to come again. I made my own slime, and I learned how to make our own slime by adding glitter, food coloring, and the mix how to make slime, of course. Yeah. Help by teaching me how to make a slime bubble. Thank you, Mama. Slimers, slimers. Thank you, Mama, for the slimers place. I really liked the place where we went.